Hey guys, welcome back. So the Z Fold 4 is about to launch next month, but the leaks are still coming out for this bad boy, where in this video we'll take a look at the final camera design on the back and we'll talk about the full camera spec. Further, the pricing of these foldable phone might be the same because Samsung is already working on a new foldable phone other than the Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4. But before we jump into the video, I wanna say that if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe to get more daily updates and give a like if you enjoy watching this video. So last month we saw a very first look at the Z Fold 4's renders shared by the legend on leaks. The device will be a little bit wider this time, means close to squarish form, but not fully boxy like the Oppo's folding phone. And on the back side, it was said to have a camera design like the Galaxy S22 Ultra, like only the camera sensors will be coming out of the back panel without any camera housing. But seems like that isn't the case here. A well-known YouTuber says that the Z Fold 4 is very similar to the Z Fold 3, means there will be same camera housing like the Z Fold 3, in which 3 sensors will be placed along with the flashlight. Also, Ice Universe has confirmed this information as well, so this means people might dislike this move by Samsung. Now moving on to the camera section, it is confirmed that the next gen folding phone will get a 50 megapixel primary shooter with optical image stabilization, 12 megapixel ultra wide for the wide angle photos, and at last a 12 megapixel telephoto shooter. This time the camera quality will be improved and will be close to a flagship level. The under display selfie camera will also be getting improvements, so let's see how much quality improvements we'll get this year. Talking about the prices, then the leak suggests Samsung might reduce the prices with these folding phones this year, but I believe this will be very minimal because Samsung has other plans to capture the low-end budget market by adding a new edition of a budget folding device which will come next year. Also, the price of this new folding phone will be around $800 or below the $800, which is absolutely insane, and the currently cheapest folding phone by Samsung is the Z Flip 3, which cost us around $1,000. So that is it in this video guys. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section. What do you feel about this? If you enjoy watching this video, then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel as well. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace out.